So today we're going to look at using private print on a Kyocera copy machine or printer. We'll look at how to use this with Microsoft Word and with Google Docs. They're both basically the same, but involve some different clicks. So here's a Microsoft Word document, and I'm going to go ahead and print it off just like I always would. I'm going to go to File and Print. Choose my printer, make sure I'm sending it to the Kyocera copy machine. But then instead of hitting the print button, I'm going to go to Printer Properties. And a new dialog window pops up. I'm going to go down to Job. And then I'm going to check this box right here under Job Storage. Once I check that box, I get access to another drop-down menu. And I'm going to select Private Print. I'm going to leave this box checked, Prompt for Access Code. And then I'll make other changes if I need to, like what pages I want to print, that sort of thing. But when I'm ready, I'm going to hit OK. And then I'm going to go ahead and send the job to the printer. And when I do that, it's going to ask me for an access code. And I can customize this, make the access code whatever I want. I can change it every time I create a print job. So I'm going to type in my access code. And hit OK. And now the print job has been sent, but it's not going to be processed until I go to the printer and type in that access code. We'll look at that in a minute. Let's take a look at what it looks like with a Google Doc. Same thing. Here's my classified document. I'm going to print this. I see that I have my Kyocera printer selected as the destination. Now I'm going to click on Print using System Dialog. This time again, I'm going to make sure that Copier is selected and then select Preferences. And I come back to this window. I'm going to do the same thing I did with the Word document. Go to Job, select that box, select Private Print from the drop-down menu, and then hit OK. Lastly, I'm going to actually send it to the printer. And again, it's going to ask me for an access code. I'll just make that up and hit OK.
After you've sent the job from the computer, just come up to your printer and go to Job Box, Private Print / Stored Job. Then you should see your username there and how many files you've sent. Check the box and select Print. And then you'll be prompted for the password that you entered. And start print again. And there's your paper.